Yo, Wes, you got a package. Oh my God! It's so heavy! Wait a second. That's not heavy at all. Ah, shit. It didn't come back down. So let's open this bitch up. What's this? That looks like the front section. We got the mid pipe. Ow, my head. So exciting. So much excite. Muffler. Oh shit, sticker. Look at that. You got a badge. 5 horsepower. Hard badge. Tomei has blessed us with a hard badge for my car. You got a ukulele? Yeah, it comes with a free ukulele as well. Ah, cramps. Cramps. Silencer. You want me to fix this? Trash can. Put it in the trash. Put it in the trash. Cool. Gasket, some springs, just hold everything together. Dude, that's a brand new box. Oh yeah? Whoa. Rubber stuff. You know what? We're gonna open this and we'll show you. Well, I'm using a cutting-edge knife. I guess you could say that. So in the box, you're going to get a silencer, a band, 2 clamps, a front pipe, mid pipe, muffler, hardware with gasket, instruction book, and plenty of Tomei stickers. The main reason that I went with the Tomei ExPreme Ti is definitely the weight savings. So this system weighs 10.5 pounds versus stock at 35 pounds. So you save a lot of weight going to this system. They use only 1 flange. The rest are all slip fittings. So they save even more weight there. Tomei, they're just an overall good company to use. They use excellent welding. They high cut all of their bins. And it's just a beautiful exhaust. And it sounds great. And, not to mention, it's also baller as fuck! If you know anything about Tomei exhausts, they're extremely loud. It's really, really loud on my Z, so at least yours is a turbo car. So you might not need this, but here's a silencer. Originally they came with just the silencer, you know, normal, but the newer ones come with this V2, which goes inside the silencer, so it's like a tight butthole for your silencer. Tight butthole. Tight butthole. But to run the V2, you have to drill 2 more holes for these extra bolts that they give you. It still comes with just one, so if you want to use the V2 silencer, you need to drill these holes out accordingly. But if you're just going to run the single silencer, 1 hole's fine. So, but race car won't need this, hopefully. Throw in the trash. That looks pretty light, dude. It is pretty light. These hangers are even hollow for more lightness. That's what you call engineering. Engineered. Engineered. Tomei power. So there you have it, Ratchet Legion lovers. Tomei exhaust unboxed. Yeah. Yeah. Make sure you hit that like button. Like button's down there. Like button. But subscribe right here to the Derpy Faces. Subscribe. Until next time, stay ratchet.